The principles of design describe the ways that artists use the elements of art in a work of art. Hello students, myself Vijaya Patil, Assistant Professor of Home Science, Government First Grade College, Ankola, Pujgeri, is back with the Principles of Design Part 2, in which we go through the remaining principles of design. Those are rhythm, emphasis and harmony. Rhythm as an art principle is defined as an organized movement used to create interest and movement and reduce monotony. Variations are had in the repetition of either color, design or size, that is, they may be repeated alternatively or one after the another. It could be simple repetition, continuous or in progression of size. Line movement could be created where the eyes move from one point to another, finally resting on a special object of interest. The rhythmic movement may be obtained through repetition, gradation and continuous line. When we say repetition, it is repetition of lines, colors and shapes that create interest and movement of the eye. Gradation implies a sequence or a regular progression of objects of varying sizes that can be arranged in an ascending or descending order of size to form a series. Rhythm is also created through a continuous line movement in various structural elements, furniture, furnishings, etc. Have a look at the related pictures. In interior design, folds of curtain or line created by furniture arrangement, picture arrangements, etc. suggest the rhythmic movement. Emphasis is defined as the art principle by which the eye is carried first to the most important thing in any arrangement and from that point to any other detail in order of its importance. The importance is laid through the use of plain background, amount of background space allowed, color contrast due to contrasting values, opposition of lines, grouping of objects or amount of decoration used. Overemphasis should be avoided as this creates a feeling of disequilibrium and thus makes the eye move away from the object of interest before any details can be observed. In any arrangement, we have to know what to emphasize, how much to emphasize and where to place emphasis. To create all these things, background should be less conspicuous than the objects to be seen against them. There are several ways to create the emphasis, that is, by placing or grouping of objects, by using contrast of color, by using decoration, by leaving sufficient space as background around an object. Usually, the simplicity and restraint would be the aim and avoid over decoration. The center of interest may be located exactly at the mechanical center of the given space when the objects are viewed in a horizontal plane, for example furniture arrangement, whereas in a vertical plane the point of emphasis should be located slightly above the mechanical center, for example placement of pictures on a wall or in a frame. Have a look at some of the pictures related. Harmony. To be in harmony means to be in agreement and to be pleasant. This relates to the effect or impression of unity created in design. When all the objects in a group seem to have a strong family resemblance, that group illustrates the principles of harmony. The likeness among the objects creates a feeling of unity. Harmony can be created by using similar lines, shapes, sizes, textures and colors. Have a look at the related pictures. The selection of objects of decoration is an art. As consumers, we should have knowledge of art quality. Choices made with the consideration for beauty and utility are always desirable to make our lives comfortable. Hence, the application of the elements of art and principles of design are basic to the art of interior decoration. That's for now. This is me Vijaya signing off. If you find the content of this video useful, do like, share and subscribe. Give your suggestions in the comment box. For future home science videos, stay tuned.